Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a very requested video. Actually, it's the most requested video that I've gotten ever. It's the buttercream recipe that I use in almost all my videos. So here it is. So this is the video that everybody was waiting for. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This is a recipe that I use in almost all my videos. In the future, I will make other videos with Italian meringue or Swiss meringue buttercream. and they're coming up pretty soon because I know you guys are interested about that. But today was buttercream recipe. So it's very simple to make. What I like about this recipe is because you can tweak it. It's so easy to use and it doubles perfect. I always do, if ever I'm doing a 2-tier, I always double my recipe and there's no problem at all. It's nice and fluffy and I just love the recipe so much. You can also tweak it. If you add cocoa powder and a little bit of melted chocolate, then you get a chocolate buttercream. If you add cream cheese, then you get cream cheese buttercream, perfect for red velvet. If you can use whatever extract that you want, you can use lemon, almond, vanilla. So that too, it's a recipe that I really like because you can literally do a lot with. Another thing that most people were asking me, why is your buttercream so white? Well, I am in a kitchen that has like a lot of lights. I have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 12 pot lights here, so it's pretty light. The reason why I have 12 pot lights is because I film a lot and I just like everything to be nice and white and clear. And my lighting is white also. But I do admit that my buttercream is pretty light and there's no yellow to it. And the reason why is, one, I use vanilla extract that is not brown. I use the clear one. Very, very important. If you use, because most of them are brown, if you use the one that is tinted brown, what happens is that butter is yellow and then you got that is brown, though you'll have that little yellowish color to it. So that's one of the reasons why it's too, you have that like yellow, but the yellow tint to your buttercream. That's number one. So don't use the vanilla extract that is clear, or whatever extract you have that is clear. You don't want anything tinted, unless you're obviously changing the color of your buttercream. Then you don't really care, because at the end of the day it's going to be another color, but even that, the color won't be the same. So that's number one. Number two, I over mix my buttercream. And when I say over mix, I over mix to the point that it's almost melting. Yeah, I over mix it for a good 10 minutes, and then it gets fluffy, because you're gonna see at the beginning when everything is cool, when everything is mixing, you think it's ready, but it is ready technically, but it's not, it's still yellow. If you overbeat it, you will see it's gonna double in size, and you're gonna see it's gonna become fluffy, very airy, and then you'll have that, the color won't be the same. I wish I could have showed you the before and after of a normal buttercream versus one that is overbeat, but anyway, you guys get the point. Overbeat your buttercream and then you will get that nice fluffy, almost white buttercream. So that's for that. And then that's basically really it for the color. And what else? With this recipe, you can use food coloring, gel, liquid, powder, no problem whatsoever. It deals well with fridge, freezer, room temperature as well. So this is pretty much it. I think I answered all your questions, but if you guys have more questions, don't be shy. Ask me in the description down below and I'll see what I can do. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click notification bell buttons so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.